Welcome to Vets Milton Keynes, and in this short video we will be covering what to feed your dog. Now, dogs are mammals just like ourselves, and if they eat too much, they don't exercise enough, they will become overweight. What they eat also directly affects with how they feel. So whether they're lethargic and have no energy, it can affect their coat and their skin. And dogs, like ourselves, get the same sort of diseases. They can have heart attacks and get heart disease. They get cancer. They even get diabetes. So at Vets Milton Keynes, we firmly believe prevention is far better than the cure. Now, the choice of food is broken down to typically three different types. First of all, dry or semi-moist or canned. Now, the semi-moist foods are high in salt and sugar, and we would normally not recommend these. The dry foods are usually sold in bulk and tend to be for larger dogs, and the canned foods tend to be more suitable for smaller dogs, as it can get very, very expensive trying to feed a larger dog the canned foods. Now, with canned foods, there is one other thing that you do need to be aware of, that's the faster build-up of tartar and plaque. Okay, so how do you know if your dog is overweight? Well, you don't need to be a vet to work out whether your dog is overweight. A simple test: if you run your finger down the side of your dog, can you feel their ribs? If not, they probably are overweight. Now, if your dog is overweight, the amount of food you give them is going to be directly proportionate to this. So follow the instructions on the dog feed. If your dog is over a year old, they normally only need feeding once a day. But please check the guidelines on the food. Exercise is also key. Dogs need exercising at least once a day, if not more. If you're not doing this, get your dog out, exercise, and get them moving. And above all, cut out all treats. I know it's nice to give your dog a treat, but certainly no table snacks and no fatty foods outside meal times. Okay, one other common question that we normally get asked is, should we give our dog some vitamins? Well, the simple answer to this is yes. But before you start giving them lots of vitamins, it's important to know what vitamins you're giving them and for what reason. So vitamin A helps their skin, as does vitamin B, although vitamin B also helps their muscles and their blood. Vitamin C is an antioxidant and helps them with their stress. And vitamin D is important for their bones and their teeth. Again, you don't need to go out and spend a fortune on vitamin supplements if you don't want to. These vitamins can be found in everyday foods and vegetables, so you can feed your dog without having to spend an absolute fortune. Okay, short video from Vets Milton Keynes, and as always we are committed to the well-being of all animals and offer this advice as a guide only.